Kubor nagaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
San Ngut ki Nongtrei haka Patok badan hajowai kila Shah kem haki pulen hadian bahin Ngut ki Shah set kila yok Phet haka sengi sajan. Ya kani laya thodu menteri ketenat kor bari uba lakmen remboy haba ai jengkren hayeng dor bar tauan mentaka sengi. Kini ki bala Shah kem ki kentob ye Rajesh swear ubadai uhet wada u chap milan kenjing wada damil labun sun temporary wada pendap bor baman wada badu Alexius Yauram temporary wada.
During the preliminary inquiry, it is ascertained that the district prison Juai is segregated into 3 security parameters, whereby the first and outer periphery is managed by the platoon of 6 battalion, and second and third periphery is managed by the staff of district prison. All under trial prisoner and a convict were inside the third periphery. Around 1:45 p.m. on the 10th of September 2022, when the warden entered the third periphery gate, he was overpowered and forcefully opened the third gate by overpowering the gatesman in the third gate as well as the second gate. On reaching the outer periphery first gate, which is manned by the personnel of 6th MLP battalion, the personnel of 6th MLP battalion there tried to stop the jailbreak by firing in the air. However, he was assaulted by the sharp weapon in his head, and the escapee overpowered him, and all managed to escape. In this incident, a total of 4 prison staff and 1 police personnel received injuries, and out of which 1 prison staff and 1 policeman and a policeman got hospitalized. A criminal case, namely Juai Police Case number 118 (09/2022) under section 128/34 of IPC was registered against 5 prison staff, namely Rajesh Swear, head warden, Sri Chamilan Kenjing warden, Sri Dame Lahun Sun temporary warden, Sri Pendabor Bamon warden, and Sri Alexius Yauram temporary warder, which subsequently been arrested. Following the escape, all police units in the district were alerted on the escape of under trial prisoner and a convict, and subsequently search operations were commenced by all police units, and a special team from district Hio on prior notice was submitted to the Special Superintendent of Police CID Mekria Shillong for circulation to all districts.